In 2026, scientists stumbled upon life forms so bizarre, some questioned if they even belonged on Earth. Could these organisms be proof we're not alone in the universe? Imagine a creature that thrives in boiling acid or glows in pitch-black caves. These aren't science fiction, but real discoveries shaking the scientific world. From the depths of our oceans to remote volcanic lakes, researchers have unveiled organisms that defy what we thought was possible for life to survive. Some experts believe these life forms hint at entirely new branches on the tree of life, challenging our understanding of biology and evolution. But the biggest question remains: how did these strange organisms emerge, and what do they reveal about the potential for life beyond Earth? As we journey into the unknown, let's explore the jaw-dropping discoveries that are rewriting the rules of life and reigniting the search for extraterrestrial neighbors. One of the strangest finds was a translucent organism living inside Antarctic ice, carrying out chemical reactions never seen in earthly life before. In the Mariana Trench, scientists filmed a ribbon-like being that uses electromagnetic pulses, a survival trick no known animal has ever displayed. Another shocker, a microbe from a desert cave that repairs its own damaged DNA using radiation from the sun, a process that baffles geneticists. A swamp in Southeast Asia revealed fungi that communicate through electrical signals, hinting at complex networks hidden beneath the surface. Researchers also found bacteria in a toxic mine that breathe pure sulfur instead of oxygen, thriving where nothing else dares to live. Each discovery hints at alternative biochemistries, raising the possibility that life elsewhere in the universe might be far stranger than we can even imagine. On a remote Arctic island, a glassy worm was found tunneling through frozen soil, surviving off minerals and hinting that life can flourish in extreme cold, even on distant planets. Deep in an underwater cave, biologists encountered a jelly-like colony that shares nutrients through a network, acting like a single, intelligent superorganism instead of separate creatures. In South America, explorers discovered moss that absorbs ultraviolet light and transforms it into visible energy, a process similar to how plants might adapt on other worlds. A strange, color-shifting snail emerged from geothermal vents, its shell covered in metal compounds, proof that life can incorporate elements never thought possible for biology. Hidden within a Himalayan glacier, scientists isolated bacteria that use antifreeze proteins, demonstrating how cellular machinery can evolve to function in permanently icy conditions. In an alkaline African lake, a new algae species was found thriving in caustic water. Its existence suggests life could survive in alien environments far more hostile than Earth. Researchers in 2026 isolated a microbe from the Dead Sea that can store sunlight as chemical energy, hinting at entirely new ways organisms might harness their environment. In a secluded Pacific reef, a coral species was found surviving on hydrogen gas instead of photosynthesis, offering clues about how life could adapt to energy-starved planets. A bizarre fungus discovered in Siberia can withstand intense magnetic fields, suggesting that life could potentially thrive near planets with powerful magnetospheres. In a remote cave system, biologists found an insect whose exoskeleton is reinforced with crystals, providing protection against heavy radiation and extreme temperatures. A newly identified microbe from a salt flat produces oxygen without photosynthesis, using minerals as catalysts, challenging our assumptions about the origins of breathable atmospheres. Scientists also encountered a worm in a deep-sea vent that emits infrared light, possibly for communication or hunting, unlocking new ideas about sensory evolution in alien worlds. These discoveries have redefined our understanding of what life can be, expanding the boundaries of science and opening up new questions about the universe. From extreme heat to freezing cold, organisms have proven that life is adaptable, resourceful, and sometimes utterly unpredictable in its survival strategies. Each new organism challenges us to rethink where we might find life, whether deep beneath Earth's surface or floating among the stars on distant worlds. We're only beginning to scratch the surface, As technology advances, who knows what other strange creatures might be waiting for us to discover? Our quest to answer, "Are we alone?" grows more urgent with every find. The universe suddenly feels a little less empty and a lot more mysterious. If you're fascinated by these mysteries, stay curious and follow the latest discoveries, because the next breakthrough could change everything we know about life. In 2026, a team in the Amazon basin uncovered a plant that senses atmospheric changes and swiftly alters its shape, suggesting unprecedented adaptability to shifting planetary climates. Meanwhile, engineers are studying a new Arctic microbe that creates bioelectric fields, hoping it might inspire future technologies for communication with life forms beyond our solar system.